Hi everyone, on the previous class we all saw about the poem Lessons of Life, and now we are going to see some figure of speech. Yeah, the first one is simile. What it is? Simile. A simile is a figure of speech in which two unlike things are compared using the words like or as. What they are saying, simile is one of the figure of speech. It is nothing but the two unlike things. Two things are compared or just combined with the help of using these words like or as. If the sentence present with the like or as, it will be as simile. It is used to bring a dramatic effect in prose. What it bring? A dramatic effect, a great fantasy effect in prose. Simile is one of the most common forms of figure of speech and is also used in poems as well as our day-to-day talks. Yeah, of course, we all probably we used to say the word like or as in a sentence usually. Yeah, so they are saying it is one of the most common figure of speech which we can saw in the poem, and we also use it to day-to-day life talks. Yes, let me see some example. As blind as a bat. They are just comparing this bat as a blind one. So they are saying as blind as a bat. It means that someone is not willing to notice. This phrase will give the meaning as someone shouldn't notice a thing which you are doing. Yes. Like peas in a pod. Like peas in a pod means that two people are quite similar. If two members are with the same nature or same character, they will be they will be saying this. They should use the for them. We can use this phrase like peas in a pod. Mean the two people are quite similar, quite usual or equal. As wise as an owl refers to someone who is very smart or knowledgeable. This phrase will give us the meaning a very smart or a knowledgeable. As wise as an owl, quite like a mouse, refers to someone who is silent or a quiet one, quite like a mouse. As brave as a lion, refers to someone who is brave. Yeah, you all know that lion is a brave animal and a courageous one. So they are saying as brave as a lion. He is as brave as a lion to do anything. Yes. So these are the lines with the similes. Look at here, as it is a simile and like it is a simile. So simile is nothing but if you find a sentence with a like or as, it will be considered as a simile, a figure of speech. Okay. Yeah. And the next one after simile, second one is metaphor. Okay, metaphor. A metaphor is also one of the figure of speech. A metaphor is quite similar to a simile. It is also like a simile. Okay, a quite little similar one, quite same one. As a metaphor also compares two unlike things. This is also comparing two unlike things. We also saw that simile also helpful to compare unlike things, but in simile we are using the words like and as, but in metaphor it is not like that. But a metaphor has an implied or a hidden meaning between unrelated things. What they are saying, it is also one of the comparing thing, but it is hidden. Okay, it is hidden between the two unrelated things. They are saying comparing the two unrelated things, and the comparison is get hidden. The hidden meaning is there. Here for a metaphor we do not use words such as like or as. Yeah, I told you before. In a simile, to compare we use like or as, that is considered as simile, but in metaphor we doesn't use this like or as a comparing one. Unlike similes which compare two things, metaphors directly state a comparison to things that are in no way similar. Here those things are not a similar one, but the metaphor directly state the comparison. It state the comparison to the not in the same way, okay, not in the same way thing. It just compared two things directly. Metaphor is the thing which compares directly. We can use metaphors to explain an idea, but its literal meaning should not be taken. We can use metaphor to explain an idea in a particular line, but its actual meaning, we should not taken at that time. It is only to be used as a symbolism. The metaphor is used as a symbolism. Okay, example, my father was boiling mad. Here they are comparing his father to be a mad one, to be a little angry one. So they are saying implies that he was too angry. Here they are saying the meaning angry in the word of mad. So they are comparing his father as a boiling mad. She is the apple of my eye. Here the apple means very dearest one. Okay, she is too dear to me. According to her, she is very dearest one. Like that, your brain is a computer. They are comparing his brain to a computer. Like here's his smart and his quick in his outcome. Okay, her voice is music to his ears. Here they are comparing her voice was like a music to his ears. Okay, that means it makes him to feel happy. The given task was a breeze. What they are saying, it was not difficult. They are considering that given task was not breeze. Okay, breeze here it implies the meaning not difficult. Okay, that is very easy for them. So they are just comparing like this. So this is the metaphor, and we also saw about the simile. I hope you all understand the simile. In simile, we actually compare the things with the help of like or as, but in metaphor, we just directly compare the things. Okay, but we doesn't use like or as. It is used as a symbolism to symbolize something, to explain one idea. Okay, we doesn't want to take the actual meaning, a real meaning here. We just want to symbolize the thing. Yeah, thank you for your listening.